In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a pie chart in Google Docs to effectively present your data. Let's dive into this straightforward yet essential process to enhance your document with visual elements. First, you'll need to have your Google Docs document ready. This is where everything begins. Open your preferred web browser and head over to docs.google.com. Once you're there, navigate to and open the document you'd like to work with. Having your document open and accessible is crucial as this will serve as the canvas for your pie chart. With your document ready, it's time to insert a pie chart. To do this, look for the Insert option in the top menu bar of Google Docs. When you hover over Chart, a submenu will appear. Go ahead and select Pie Chart from this list. This is the starting point for bringing a visual representation of your data into your document. Now that you've inserted a pie chart, you'll notice it comes with default data. You'll need to customize this data to reflect what you actually want to present. To begin editing, click on the small link icon near the chart, often labeled as Open Source. This action will open up a Google Sheets spreadsheet in a new tab. It's in this spreadsheet where all the magic happens. Replace the sample data, both categories and values, with your own data. This way, the pie chart can truly mirror the information you need to convey. Customization doesn't end with data input, it extends to the aesthetics of your pie chart as well. While still in Google Sheets, you have the opportunity to tailor the chart to your liking. By clicking on the chart within Sheets, you'll have access to the chart editor. Here you can modify colors, labels, and several other chart options to make sure your chart not only informs but also captures attention. The great thing here is that any changes you make in the chart editor will automatically reflect back in your Google Docs document. After you've customized your chart to your satisfaction, simply close the Google Sheets tab. Returning to your Google Docs document, you'll find that your pie chart has been updated with the adjustments and data you've entered. There's no need to worry about additional uploads or imports, as Google Docs seamlessly updates with your changes in real time. By following these steps, you have successfully inserted and customized a pie chart in Google Docs. This visual aid will undoubtedly enhance the comprehensibility and appeal of your document, helping you to communicate your information more effectively. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy charting!